Good morning, welcome to Johnny's Syndicate. Let's get this day started. I'm gonna make me some coffee, do some Newman's Own, and we're gonna do multivitamin, L-carnitine, and milk twist. I like my coffee black, like my lady's dress. So let's get this coffee going and watch some YouTube. Friday, so you know, do a little flex. Alright, it's time to go make some pre-workout and jump on the treadmill. This is my usual routine on workout days. So I'm pretty much fasted. I don't have any real food, just like vitamins and some supplements. So today I need an extra kick in the butt, so we're gonna have a little bit of salt. Then after that, I will be making an intro workout for when I go in the gym, which is gonna be some aminos and some creatine. And I'll show you which ones I'm using. By the way, any supplements and stuff that I show you on these vlogs are just stuff I like. I am in no way affiliated with any of them. Since it's a training day today, I'm going to do about 30 minutes on the treadmill. Usually on my days off, I can do anywhere from an hour to an hour and 20 minutes on my rest days. But today we're probably going to do, I did Grand Canyon yesterday, so we're probably going to do France today. My goal usually is to hit about 5,000 foot elevation by the end of the week. I haven't been hitting it recently, so I'm going to try to do it more often and keep that as a thing. Anyways, let me get this cardio done. Those who think that I'm just walking on the treadmill, you would be wrong. It's time to make my intro workout, and we should be good to go. I'm having some amino energy. I don't know if you can see it with the lighting in here. And some creatine. Very basic. By the way, I still haven't had any real food yet. Alright, we're good to go. I'll see you in the gym. So normally when I do a bent over row, I do a slight bend and contract my back when I'm pulling up. But since we're doing a silver era, old school, full body workout, we are going to do a full bent over row. Trying to keep this workout as legit as possible. I am going to do my standing calf raises with bare feet, or technically with my socks on, but back in the day, they would do it barefoot, so. Time for us to get ready for our final exercise, which is going to be crunches. I don't want to get on this dirty floor, so we're going to end up doing it on top of a bench. That workout was absolutely brutal. I am exhausted. I'm about 21 hours fasted right now. I'm gonna go jump in the shower and get cleaned up. And then we're gonna figure out where I'm gonna get all those calories. I had to run out and do some quick errands. I picked me up a chicken from the market, some hamburger buns, because I have some hamburger patties up in the freezer. So it's gonna be hamburgers and chicken. And I'm still fasting, so I just got a monster before I make food. The video looks like it's going to run a little long today, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go make me a protein shake and have a Gatorade right now to break my fast. And then I'm going to cook all my food and show it to you after. I'm not going to film all the cooking. I'll see you in the next clip. The burgers are cooking. I am having my protein and my Gatorade. This is how fitness people double fist. Oh, burger's about ready to get flipped. Man, thing does not. There we go. I'll be taking some digestive enzymes so that we can digest all this food that I'm going to consume right now. to hit my calories.
Okay, dinner is served. This leaves me with 548 calories left. This meal comes in at 1,997 calories.
Here's my last meal. Bowl of Fruit Loops, 2 servings with a cup of fat-free milk. And we got a light Thomas English muffin with raspberry preserves on it. I'll put my totals all here on the screen for you. Everything I consumed today, all my calorie counts. If you like this content, please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.